Okay, so we're back. And
Link to it, so it's
so let's go testers again. I didn't need to go there, but okay, now let's execute it. Let's go. Yes, it worked.
come over here and add our button, or actually let's do a notification first. So if you scroll down, go to next, and click on, copy this code right here that says notifying the user. Again, this is optional.
Oh, it's here. Let's go.
But if you want to add an execution notification, it's pretty fun. Click copy, paste it in right underneath this, so right there, and then over here the title is going to be "You executed the script." Just like that. Notification content. We could say very good GUI. This is going to be the duration of how long the notification is going to exist before it disappears. I'm going to do 5 seconds. And then for the image, I'm just going to change this to nil again, which again means nothing. And then actions is going to be anything you can change. So there's going to be like a button here. So the button is just going to say okay, and this is kind of useless to be honest, because it's just a notification. So I'm just going to say, just going to say okay, going to exist notification this, so right there, and then over here the title is going to be "You executed the script." Just like that. Notification content, we could say very good GUI. This is going to be the duration of how long the notification is going to exist before it disappears. I'm going to do 5 seconds. And then for the image, anything you can change this, to be honest, because it's just okay. And here's what that looks like if I right here. And if you can see in this console now, I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom. And if I click on the... Wait, I should have forgot something right here. You want to add main in front of this tab right here as well. So just... like that, main tab. Main section, main tab, just like that. And then now when we execute this script, it should load up with no issues. So boom, here it is loading. Once it opens up, we have a little main thing here, and there's our little notification. Click OK, and as you can see right here, it says the user tapped OK. You can make that do whatever you want to. It could say like, do you want to join our Discord? Different options, you could type OK, and then add a second one that says no, just like that. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it as just OK. And now that you're done with that, you can actually add all your buttons and sliders. So the first thing I'm going to add for this is actually going to be a button. So you just have to come over here right below the notification. Click copy, come back over here, again click enter. Twice, boom, boom, paste it in, and now you want to change this again, so change the tab, change this to say main tab, because that's going to be in your main menu, and again you do the same thing for all the tabs. So you change it to like others tab or player tab. The name for this is going to be, let's say infinite jump. So it's going to be a script that gives you infinite jump, and I'm just going to paste in this script here, because again this is just a button. So you could do this with any script in the game. You could paste in your load string script here, you could paste in your other scripts hub right in here. But yeah, so I just found the script off Google. I'm going to paste it in right here, infinite jump. Here, but yeah, so I just found this. script off Google. I'm going to paste it in right here. Infinite jump. So just Control C, Control V right in that section. And you should still see these two things at the bottom. They shouldn't have changed. And now if I execute this in the game, we should be able to toggle on and off an infinite jump with our G.
Time is going by so fast. Infinite reload.
UI. So let's see what happens here. As you can see right now, I'm not infinite jumping.
Up to 12 hours a day. Default 15. Okay. So that's
And I'm gonna click on OK. And oh, this guy just killed me. Okay, so we should click infinite jump. Boom. And now we could jump infinitely. And then if I click it again, boom, it's toggle feats. Boom, boom. And now I'm gonna add a slider. So sliders are actually pretty fun to add. You can actually scroll down here, copy the slider code. Again, you could do this with any of these different things on here. But I'm just gonna be showing you in this video sliders and drop downs, and then come over here, paste it in, change the slider to say main tab. And then for this example, I'm going to be making it a walk speed. So let's say walk speed slider, range from 0 to 300 walk speed. So if you don't know what this is going to be like from the very left side of the slider to the very right side. Yeah, go like this, change the increment to 1. That means that you're going to be able to like change the walk speed from 1 at a time instead of 10 at a time. And then for the suffix, just change it to say speed. And this is just going to be like text. So these are all like optional. You could change this to whatever you want to. Current value, the default walk speed in Roblox is going to be 16. Click that. And then here's where the first script you actually have to write is going to come in. So type this right here, delete all these things, all these green text, delete. Click the tab button twice, delete all these things, all these green text, delete, click the tab button twice, tab, and then type the word game in all lowercase letters, dot, players, dot, local player, so capital L, capital P, dot, character, dot, humanoid, with a capital H, and again this is going to kind of like auto correct it for you. Walk speed equals, well, space equals space, and then in this parentheses you want to type whatever you want your value to be. So normally if you were going to do this script you would normally like type in a number here, but instead we want it to be the slider's value. So let's say we're doing jump power, walk speed, gravity would all be the same thing. Type in here parentheses